Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how to fix if your message could not be sent in Messenger and you are getting error which looks similar to this. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now let's say you open your Messenger app right over here, and then whenever you try to send a message to somebody else, it shows you that message could not be sent, tap for details, so you are getting similar error like in this screenshot. So in order to fix that, first of all, what you want to do is, the main reason it says Messenger could not be sent is that whilst you were sending messages, your internet connection got interrupted. It most likely means that internet connection was interrupted, and when you tap on tap for details, you can simply tap on resend it. But if that didn't fix the issue, what you want to do is you want to come back to your app screen page, you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and then try to send the message using your cellular data, because most of the times what happens is that your cellular data is actually faster and works faster compared to your Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure you have the cellular data turned on. Go ahead and try to message that person and see and check whether the issue has actually been fixed or not. Now if that fixes your issue, then that is perfectly fine. If not, then the other thing I would recommend doing is to simply open your Messenger app and then turn off data saver. For example, let's say I turn back my Wi-Fi on and then I open my Messenger app right over here. Let the application to load first of all, and after we log into our Messenger app, you can see the home interface somehow is going to look like this. Now we are going to go to our settings screen by tapping on the profile button on the top left hand side. After we tap on our profile button, you want to scroll down, and here you'll find an option called data saver. You want to tap on data saver and you want to make sure that this toggle is currently turned off, because sometimes when this toggle is turned on, in order to save your data, if you're using from your cellular data, the Messenger app is going to limit some of the actions. So you want to make sure that this toggle is currently turned off and then try to send a message again. Now if you're still not being able to send a message to that person, it most likely means that person has either blocked you on Messenger, so make sure that that is not the case. If that fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine. Then if it doesn't still, then we recommend you simply open your app store, and for Android users, what you can do is you can simply download an alternate version of Messenger, that is the Messenger Lite. So if your Messenger app is not working correctly, what you can do is you can open the Messenger Lite app, which is going to use considerably very less data. Then you can install this app, then you want to tap on open and then log into your Messenger account and then try to see whether the issue has been fixed. Try to message them from this. If not Messenger Lite, then you can also try to use the Facebook Lite application as well. You want to also open your app store and then check whether the Messenger app itself has an update or not. So we want to go ahead and tap on Messenger and also check whether the Messenger app has an update available. If it does have, then make sure to update the application to the latest version. So we hope one of these solutions work for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section as to which solutions work for you. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then also make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.